Are there any FBA training and tutorials available? Yes, there are many FBA training programs and tutorials available that teach sellers how to start, manage, and grow their Amazon FBA business successfully. Amazon provides official tutorials through its Seller University, which include easy-to-follow videos and guides explaining how to set up an account, list products, send inventory to fulfillment centers, and manage returns. These tutorials are ideal for beginners who want step-by-step guidance directly from Amazon's experts. Apart from Amazon's resources, numerous online platforms and instructors offer structured FBA training courses. These cover advanced topics such as product research, sourcing from suppliers, PPC advertising, and profit optimization. Many courses also include real examples, case studies, and templates that simplify complex processes and help sellers learn faster through practical experience. In real-world scenarios, thousands of new sellers start with free tutorials to understand the basics and later invest in detailed training programs to refine their strategies. Sellers who take advantage of these trainings typically make fewer mistakes, optimize their listings better, and achieve faster growth on the platform. Consistent learning through these tutorials can make a big difference in building a long-term successful FBA business. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the research and analytics tools you need to grow your Amazon FBA business.